This video will discuss how to use the filter menus on the left-hand side of the Starter Plan Modern Deltaic Coastline Interactive Atlas. There are two main parts of the page that we need to be concerned with. We have the filter menu on the left-hand side. This is the part of the page where we will be determining what will be shown on the right-hand side of the page, the map menu. We will be discussing the map menu in a subsequent video, so at this stage we would only focus on what is happening in this filter menu on the left-hand side of the page. We have several things that we can filter on here. We can filter by system name, so we can select a given system from the menu and then choose and view the particular system in question. We can select systems based on geographical location or continent. For example, if we would click on South America in this case, you would see that all of the other polygons on the map disappeared and only the polygons in South America are currently shown. We can toggle on and off these check marks, which is interactively updating the map on the right hand side. We can select systems in terms of dominant process at the shoreline. For example, if I would select wave in this case, you would notice that many of the polygons on the map disappear and we only see the yellow polygons which designate wave-dominated systems in the database. In addition to that, we can specify additional processes, so we can select more than one filter at the same time. So if we were to select, for example, yes for tide process is present, we would end up only showing systems which are wave dominated and then tide influenced. So the dominant process is wave and then the system is also affected by tide. So if we were to zoom to an area which has many systems like this, over here we have a number of examples of wave dominated tide influenced systems from South America. There are a few additional things which should be mentioned. How, for example, can we deselect filters? One of the ways in which we can do this is something which we have already seen. We can simply deselect one of the check marks that has been selected. But the other way, which is quite useful, is by using these refresh buttons. So if we were to click on a refresh button, once again, the filter would be deselected. You would notice that now if we zoom out, we would once again see all of the systems that are available in the atlas. These are the filters which are available in our Starter Interactive Atlas plan. There are a lot more filters available in our Pro plan, in addition to additional capabilities such as, for example, generating crossplots and histograms of the numerical fields which are also part of the package. Find the appropriate video if you would like to find out more about the Pro plan filters. Watch the next video in the series which will discuss what the main features are on the map view part of the window, how we can view systems in detail, how we can use various backgrounds, and additional features which will be available as part of the plan.